Welcome to Shopify Tyrant, where you will learn how to start your very own e-commerce business from scratch. I'm Nihal and I'll be your instructor for this course. Over the years, I have built tons of successful Shopify stores and made thousands of dollars in the process. And in this course, you will learn exactly how to do so. And as I walk you through building a store myself, and why should you take this course? If you want to make a passive income online, build a business that makes you over $100 every day. If you're tired of failing in your online ventures over and over again, if you want to build a business that is sustainable and can potentially be your full-time income. So what will you learn in this course? Things you will learn in this course include making your very own Shopify store, finding products for your store, how to get customers to your store, the apps you will need for your store, scaling up your store for maximum profits, and of course, automating everything. Who are the ideal students for this course? You don't need any specific requirements for taking this course. Just come with an open mind and make sure you have a will to succeed, as I'll be showing you how to be profitable even before you start investing anything in this business. Enroll today and start banking with your very own Shopify store.